Kate here at WTI, and if you're looking for the easiest cleanup for baking, you have to check out these silicone baking mats from Katbite. Now these come in all sorts of shapes, sizes, and colors. I have the 3-pack in black, and it comes with 2 of the larger mats and 1 smaller one. The larger mats fit perfectly in a cookie sheet. So I use these all the time. They're my favorite thing to use before I bake. What makes these so awesome is they're non-stick, and you don't have to use any cooking oil or anything to keep your stuff from sticking. It does it automatically. So I use this especially for things like cookies, that sort of thing, but I've done it with chicken or all sorts of different meats, with vegetables. Anything I'm putting in the oven, this is going down first. They're nice and thick, high quality. It doesn't have negative effects on the food, but I do love the way it browns the bottom. It makes it so that everything comes off easily with no struggle. Cleanup is just as easy. I usually hand wash mine just because it's so fast, but you can also throw these in the dishwasher. I store mine where I keep my bakeware, but you can roll these up and keep them in a drawer. They're so slim, honestly, you can put them anywhere you want. If you want to save yourself the extra oils and you want everything to be non-stick, I think these are an awesome must-have for your kitchen, and that's my point of view.